Welcome back friends. In this video I'll show you how to find out top 5 highest sold products in Google Sheets. For example, here I have some products name and their quantity sold. The requirement here is to find out the top 5 highest sold products and their quantity. To find out this, I'll use query plus sort function. In the first cell, press equal to, then type the query function, open bracket. In the data, combine the sort function, open bracket. In the range parameter of sort function, select the data that is from A4 to B53. So put here A4 colon B53, comma. In the sort column, provide the range where you want to apply the sort, that is the column B where there is quantity sold. So the range is from B4 till B53. Then put a comma. In each ascending option, put false because we need a descending sort for the top 5 highest. Close bracket, put a comma. In the query parameter, put here double quotation, then limit 5. This is because we need top 5 highest. If you need top 10 highest, then you have to put here limit 10. Double quotation, then put a comma. In this headers option, put 0 because in this case we don't need headers. The header is already here, and in the data I haven't selected the headings, so put 0. If you need the headers, then put 1. Close bracket and press enter. Here you see the top 5 highest sold products and the sales quantity is given. So this is how you can use the combination of query plus sort function to find out top 5 highest sold products in Google Sheets. If you want to practice this, you can get this sample data file in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.